So in this video, we are required to factor this polynomial. So for us to be able to factor this polynomial, we think of a number or a letter that can go in both 12 and 18. And that number must be the highest number in its series. For example, 3 can go in 12, 3 can also go in 18, but that is not an appropriate factor we can use. So the appropriate factor we can use in this case is 6. Right, 6 will go in 12 twice and in 18 3 times. And between x and s cube and x, we can only use what? A single x. So in this case, if we want to factor this, we have 12 s cube minus 18x. And that will give us what? So we have been able to use 6x into brackets. What can we multiply 6 by? That will give us 12. That is what? 2. Then x times x squared will give us s cube, x squared. Then minus 6 times 3, that is 18. So the solution to this problem is 6 into bracket 2x squared minus 3. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.